Welcome to Visual Impact Sydney 2016. My name is Brad Crichton. I'm the National Sales and Marketing Manager for Mimaki Australia. You're currently on the Mimaki Australia booth. Just going to give you a rundown of some of the new technologies and new products that Mimaki are going to bring to the market and what we've got ready for the market right now. New technology, everyone's talking about 3D printing at the moment. Mimaki is investing in 3D printing and 3D printing technologies. We have some samples on the Visual Impact stand here during this event that show 3D printing in full colour. So what Mimaki are doing is not only producing three-dimensional print objects, but printing those objects in full colour process. So these are created traditional 3D, but the colour is finished right from the machine, and you can see the levels of detail. Now this is future technology. We're fortunate enough to get a bit of a preview here at Visual Impact 2016. We're hoping to have this sort of technology possibly in 2017. We'll get more details to the market, but you can see the levels of detail and colour are quite extraordinary. Introducing for the first time in the Australian market is Mimaki's new UJF Series Mark II printers. Showcasing today at Visual Impact 2016 in Sydney, we've got the UJF 6042 Mark II. Now Mimaki locally in Australia have sold well over 100 units of the very successful UJF series. So this is the next introduction, the next model to that series that has got some significant advancements. A couple of those advancements, we've got 3 ink types that we can use within this machine. We can use LH100, LUS120 and LUS150. Now just quickly the differences between those inks. LH100 is our most hardest chemical resistant based ink. LUS120 we do up to 175% stretch, a lot of versatility, and the LUS150 we've got a good mid-range ink that compromises the benefits of both products. So a lot of versatility. We've increased our production speed on this model quite significantly compared to the UJF series, so we've got increased production. Also what you see here is we've actually got a new feed mechanism in this model. We actually use a rack and pinion type model where the bed itself is going in underneath the print head unit, and it provides a significant increase in precise stop placement and accuracy. So we're seeing a lot of interest at this show on our new Mark II UJF series, and all those benefits you can visit on Mimaki website, mimakiaus.com.au. We're now at the UJV 55-320. Now this is Mimaki's 3.2 metre wide LED UV roll-to-roll printer. This was initially launched at Brisbane VI earlier in the year in April. We're now actually showcasing it at Visual Impact Sydney 2016. It's been a hugely successful model for Mimaki in a short period. Advantages here of the LED technology: we can print onto fabric type materials, we can print onto banner, tarpaulin, canvas materials. Also we can print dual roll activity. So we can put 2 rolls in the printer up to 15-20 wide and get double the production from 2 rolls. All the advantages of LUS120 ink, 175% stretch. So we're getting lots of interest. As you can see with the prints now, colour vibrancy and the brilliance of the prints is outstanding. We've got display models that customers can see in Sydney and in Melbourne. So our Melbourne facility has also got this model for demonstration, and our Sydney facility. We also have a facility in Brisbane. We don't have this model up there, so we do need to either visit Sydney or Melbourne. But we've got lots and lots of interest in the Mimaki UJV 55-320. Hi, we're currently at our textiles and apparel section of our stand. We have 2 models on display here at Visual Impact Sydney. We have the TX300P 1800 and the TS300P 1800. Now the difference between the 2 models, The S model is for sublimation transfer paper printing. So we're printing onto transfer sublimation paper, and then it gets heat set through a calendar. So you think of your sportswear, whether it's cycling, football jerseys, soccer jerseys, a lot of apparel market is done with this technology. This is our fastest production printer, TS300P at the 1.8 metre wide. Nice production speeds. Also advantages of now extended colour. So we've now got fluoro inks. So we're actually displaying fluoro yellow and fluoro pink. So great for cyclists, also all sorts of sports, including your netballs and your soccers, that you want to extend that colour gamut to get the most vibrancy from your sportswear. Now, the TX300P, this is a relatively new product from Mimaki. The difference between transfer and this machine, we're actually printing directly onto the fabric. So we can print directly onto polyesters, we can print directly onto silks, and we can print directly onto cotton, 100% cotton. The reason why we can do that, we can run multiple different options regarding ink. So this machine can be set up with your sublimation inks and dispersed dyes for polyester type printing, but we can also set it with pigment ink with a binder, which is a textile pigment, and it enables customers to print directly onto 100% cotton. So very diverse, creating new markets for direct printing, especially the interior and the decor type market. That's where we're seeing future of this sort of technology, especially with natural fibres, 100% cotton. Thanks. Okay, we're currently at our SG part of our stand, which is our sign and graphics. So producing all sign and graphic display prints, self-adhesive vinyls, banner materials, canvas materials. This is where we're at with all the vehicle wrap and all that sort of technology. What we're showing here at the moment is Mimaki's production print and cut unit. This is our CJV 300 160, 1.6 metre wide. Our most productive type printer in this end of the category. Okay, what we've got, we're really showing our extended colour gamut. So as you can see here, we can replicate Pantone up to 94%. So really strong colour. How we do that, we can extend the colour with orange. Okay, we run a CMYK, light cyan, light magenta, and we can also run an orange or a light black. We've also got silver and white capability within this machine. Now, I'd just like to run through some of the specials we've got at Visual Impact Sydney, and those specials will go till the end of September. What we've got here, we've got special pricing on all our equipment. CJV 300, print and cut in the one, production printer is $39.95. During the month of September, Mimaki is offering through our finance company interest-free. So interest-free finance, month of September, on top of the special price. Our CJV 150, 160, which is our other print and cut 1.6, $22,995, month of September, interest-free. So please contact our local authorised dealers. Those dealers locally, we've got Spices Sign and Display, Spandex, we've also got Fujifilm, and also AGS locally in New South Wales. Check your authorised dealers per state and which dealers are suited to these specials. Okay, another product. We're now at our latex printer. This is Mimaki's JV400 160 LX. A lot of talk about latex printing. Mimaki's got a latex offering. We provide an extended colour set with our latex printer. We run an orange and green. You can see the vibrancy of the print. You hear a lot about the market where latex seems to be a bit duller. We've certainly got a lot more vibrancy that we're achieving with this extended colour set with our latex technology. Once again, we've got show specials for Visual Impact Sydney. At the moment, 1.6 metre wide latex printer is $19,995. Okay, that's a special price, but also month of September, interest-free finance. $19,995 with interest-free finance, by far the best deal we've ever done on a Mimaki latex printer. So that's just for the month of September. Thanks.